What is visual analytics? Visual analytics is a process of combining our visual intelligence and analysis techniques with interactive technology to get relevant information out of data. What do we mean by visual intelligence? Let me show you an example by statistician Francis Anscombe. This table shows 4 different data sets where almost all the summary statistics for each dataset are identical within 2 decimal places. However, you can see from the graphs of the datasets that they are nothing alike. The salient differences pop out effortlessly. In the past, we have taken advantage of our visual intelligence to extract meaning out of data using different visualization techniques. Where does interactive technology enter the picture? Interactive technology allows us to not only visualize data, but to also zoom in and out between the details and the big picture at the same speed as our thoughts. In other words, it allows us to do agile analytics. You might ask, what is the difference between visual analytics and interactive data visualization? Think of interactive visualization as the shiniest part of a pyramid, the capstone. The interactive visualization does not shine unless there is a strong analytical foundation that underlies it. Critical thinking is often underestimated, but it is the hidden essential ingredient that builds a foundation with high-quality analysis. This foundation includes understanding the business and context, as well as understanding the data so that you can transform it properly. Without the foundation supporting the capstone, the interactive visualization would be vacuous. As you may have guessed, the entire pyramid is what we call visual analytics. Visual analytics is not a tool. It is a human-centric process. It starts from us humans, understanding the context and the data. After we prepare the data, we can then interact with visualizations to make sense of data and begin to evaluate our hypotheses. These results are then disseminated to others, and we all gain a better understanding of the world and how we should interact with it. You may have noticed that there are arrows pointing back and forth. An analytic process is not serial. Sometimes you realize that the data wasn't cleaned properly and need to go back to data preparation. Sometimes you realize that the data is not able to answer the question you are asking, and you might need to go all the way back to understanding the context again. It is a convoluted journey, and because it's convoluted, it is vital for us humans to be in the center of the analysis as the ultimate drivers. This can be disappointing to some, expecting automated solutions. But as Pat Hanrahan mentions, people have all sorts of information in their brain, common sense that they use every day. Computers have no knowledge of any of that information. How can you expect a computer, no matter how good it is, to make a decision if it's missing all of that information? Thank you for watching, and visit viva-viva.ca to learn more.